100,000 out of running in million without major repair. Toyota Big V8, more than 300,000 kilometers have been overhauled. This engine is the most classic miniature 8-cylinder engine of the two UJ. Normal maintenance, 500,000 to 600,000 without major repair. This one only ran 350,000 kilometers. It is estimated that this car must have been overlooked by the high temperature of the water tank before, or the oil was not changed in time, or changed to other inferior oil. Let's see what the internal organs of this car are like. Then we have to crop later. Show it to everyone after cutting it. Now break up and refurbish this seriously oil-burning engine. Engine dismantling completed. The pistons are also all stuck, causing oil to burn. All accessories, ultrasonic cleaning. Replace all damaged accessories with new ones. The following is the assembly of one person, one machine, and the engine is assembled in strict accordance with the SOP process. The double shaft twisting machine screws are all in accordance with the original factory standards. Special tools for oil seals. Engine assembly completed. Engine-transmission combination. The engine falls back on the chassis. The car body is heavily combined. After the overhaul is completed, power is back. Can you accompany the car owner to cross mountains and rivers?